Okay. Here we are at Clearlake, California, 2017, February the 15th, I believe. And this gentleman has a 18-year-old AquaDam that we've had up in front of his house. He's had it in his carport for 18 years. And we're going to go ahead and spin it. And now we're going to remove the ropes, the pickup ropes, which are here. These are the pickup ropes. And it unrolls the wrong direction. We got to spin it all the way around. It unrolls the other way. There we go. He's going to be a movie star here before we're done for the day. So we're pulling the threads. So it's done neatly. This can go back around the AquaDam when you're finished with it for the season. This is what it looks like. And there's 250 feet on this roll. And we're going to use about 2/3 of it to go around the house. We're going to make a half moon around the house from high ground to high ground. It's going to go. We're going to unroll it right out through here and unroll approximately 150 feet, and then we're going to shift it around in front of plate glass windows in front of the house. This is the back of the house. We're going to start right down in here. It's a 30-inch high AquaDam. And we're just getting started. There's two of us that are going to install this. The owner has a AquaDam that's been here for 18 years in perfect condition, but he would like to upgrade it to go all the way around his house. Here's the AquaDam, been laying right here for 18 years, and this will be the second time it's been deployed. Now, the reason we're not doing this one because it's 100 feet, and he actually needs 150 feet to make the half moon without a connection, because they will have wave action here. We don't recommend connections in wave action, and it can get violent here on Clearlake when the wind blows. Here's the AquaDam. Keep going. There we go. See if you can take the first wrap off. See if you can. Well, it was marked wrong. The arrow was marked wrong to unroll it, evidently. The arrow. So now we're going to have to respin this and spin the whole black thing. No. Put it back. Turn it back. Pick up the whole black thing, which is the carved thing you're walking on. Now spin it. There would be two people doing it, and this would spin right around, of course. Yeah. There we go. Here, put that over, and then I'll help you. Okay, push the end over. This is one of the fill ends. It's a folded, these are fill tubes. The actual start of the AquaDam is right here. And we're going to unroll it that way. Here, can you do it? Oh. Yeah, there he goes. You can do it. You can do it. It can be done with one person, or it can be done with two. Okay, here. Wait. Here we got the first 30 feet unrolled. And now you can unroll it. One person can unroll this. Took two of us to start. Now we're going to unroll it right down the hill here. Now you have to pull another pleat. Yep, that way. You pull it over the top of itself. Instead of this, pull the bag over the top of itself. Like that, yes. Now unroll it some more. And this is how you make churns when you're unrolling the AquaDam. You pull pleats on the inside turn to re-straighten it out. Now you should put your foot down on this corner here, then go over it. Yeah, like that. To take up that slack.
And straight down.
Straight down.
In line with these bushes here.
Okay, well, straight down. We're going to readjust it.
We're at 180.
We'll keep on going. Okay. 180, 160. Okay. So we've got 160 out, or 150 feet. No, oh, excuse me. We've got 150 feet to go, so we've got 100 feet out. So we've got to keep going, at least to 150. The 150 mark is what's left on the roll, this roll. So there's still got to go out some more. There should be approximately 100 feet left. But let's go get a measurement and then we'll come back so we don't have to roll any up. So here we're going, bye. Pull all the slack out. Okay, now where are we going to cut it at? We need 181 feet. We need 181 feet. So we're cutting it right here on the 80-foot mark, or the 79-foot mark.
You want to go above that handle so we got a handle?
Yes. So we're simply going to take a knife and cut this square across. Go for it. There, now we've cut that off. We're going to take this back with us. It's a approximately 80-foot long roll of material.
You want to tighten this roll back
yes.
up?
Yep. We're going to tighten this roll back up.
Thank you.
Ooh, shit. Okay, that'll be tight enough.
Yeah?
Yep, roll her up.
All right. Get a rope.
There we are.
You want me to stand up?
We're going to have to clear some brush, a couple steel posts, so we can go right through here.
This here fence has got to come out.
We got chicken wire fence, about 3 plies of it. And anyway, that's where the AquaDam's going. I'm turning the camera off so we can make a path. Now we've cut the material, we've measured it, cut it, and we're readjusting where the AquaDam needs to go. Okay, go.
Should pull it down farther.
Yes.
Grab it from the end and pull. Might as well grab it from the end and pull that out.
Well, okay, pull her down. This down. It's just got to pile up right here. We're going to turn it and go into there. Okay, now pull that one back over. Okay. Okay, right there. Okay, action. Do not turn the AquaDam over it and twist it, over itself and twist it. You can do it, pull it. Okay, wait a second. here's what I mean by don't pull it over itself. See, they're going to get a twist in it right here. So we don't want that. We need to slide more material down here because there's way too much up at this end, and we got to bring it down and around and in front of the house. And we don't want to put a twist in it. Okay, go back there and pull.
It's right here, so I can.
And this is how you weave it in and out through obstructions. Of course, it's a lot easier if there are 3 or 4 men doing this. And we made a ball of it right here, so we've got pleats.
I'll go back out there.
Yep.
Make it easier.
Well, pull some. Okay, wait a second. Whoa! Okay. Okay, wait a second.
Almost there.
There's the start of the AquaDam, or the end of the AquaDam. We unrolled it down the hill. It's going through underneath the brush. I didn't want any brush cut, or these are plants. Very congested. The corner. A big stone 90-degree angle piece. We put dirt around each side. It raises over 12 inches in height. This is the bad spot on this installation for sure. That we'll simply push our AquaDam away from the structure there. And there's the other end, right up there. Weeds around the house. We're going to add the water right here. We've got water running in to the outside tube here. This is bracing. We got a rope tied back to there. A rope here to there. Are we over it?
Yeah.
Where's the water at?
It's back there. It's just coming over that sidewalk. See it coming up?
The water's right here. So tie that back to the tree, get more rope. Bring that spool of rope over here now. We've got water right to here. Things are going very good, very good. Hey, would you get another rope and tie it back down here one more time?
Yes,
sir. Right here's the crucial spot, holding the AquaDam in place right here. You can see it's right on the edge. So we've shoved this side underneath these bushes so it opens out underneath of them and raises up. Little tricky operation, but it looks like it's going just fine. Oh, right here, right here. Well, we've got water in both tubes, the inside tube not as much as the outside tube. We want to start with that outside tube, get it set so there's water in it so it pushes this side tube into these plants and away from this direction, which would be catastrophic and go over the edge and we'd be a failure. So we've tied 3 or 4 places here to the top seam, back to the roots of these trees, and now we're filling it up. We expect the ropes to help tremendously. You can see a rope tied to there, rope tied to here. Boy, it's about half full or more, and so it looks like it's going to be successful with nearly 1 inch to spare. So very tight fit. The water's right to here. Here's the well, we didn't put material around one sharp spot on a post. We're draining the AquaDam. We're simply putting the end downhill and letting the head of the AquaDam drain off. That way we can move the AquaDam back here by a post. And we need to slip some material in there to make sure a sharp point is not going to hurt the AquaDam. So we had to drain off about 10 inches of water head, and we've done that, and we'll be right back at this. Here, I'll push, you pull. Wait a second, let me turn off the camera. Here. Okay, right here's where the problem is this beam right here has got this sharp point right there. And of course, the one we're really worried about is this one right in there. And we didn't feel we did a good enough job protecting against that, especially if there's going to be wave action. So we drained it, and we're going to put some wood there and some other stuff to make sure the AquaDam doesn't come in contact with that steel plate corner, and that would put a hole in it really, really fast. So that's what we're doing. Okay, we've removed the ropes. Here we've untied the ropes that are going to here. It did not move, the AquaDam. We untied this rope. Okay, we got another rope here. We've undone it. We had a bucket here that had a stick to it, and we had to shore up this side here, so there's a couple boards right there, and we're looking real good. We got a little bit more water to add, but we wanted to make sure everything looked good. Now we're going to undo these ropes right down alongside here. Now, even though those were just tied back to the little plants, they helped a lot. No, just tie it loosely in there. So the AquaDam didn't even move. So these, of course, you got 3 more ropes right here.
You want me to tie it loosely?
No, I think we leave them tied. If they pull those plants up, we don't care, do we?
Leave them tied?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, we have a rope here.
Yeah, but they look all right, don't they? The worst thing you can do is rip out the... Okay, why don't you go that way and see if you can see anything else. Matter of fact, so we just walked down the top of it. Here's the lemon tree around the corner. Here's the big stone thing that sticks out that we had to go over. We're hugging the chimney here. We have to. We have no other choice. Sharp piece coming off this big beam here down here, and we fixed that and now we've added the water again, and we really did a lot of work on this guy so that that sharp plate would not rub if there's wave action. So we did a real good job on that. We've got several pieces of wood in there, but wrapped up, duct taped to that post. So we're ready to roll here as far as adding more water, and everything looks great.
Visual here from the back side of how well that keeps nice flush away from that tree.
We didn't even have to dig up one plant, and that's what the gentleman wanted. Didn't want any of his plants hurt. We broke a few branches, but I'm sure he'll forgive us for that.